Drop card marketing. You've always wondered, does it work? Is it easy to do? Can I do my own drop cards? Yes, you can. It does work. I have used drop card marketing to promote my business. I had a multi-level marketing business one time that I used a drop card. I left it in an elevator. That afternoon, I made a $100 commission, and I know that was it because that was at the time that was the only thing that I was using. But as you can see here, here's a sample of the inside of a drop card. I'm going to show you how you can take these and make your own. Now you can buy these; they can be quite expensive, you know, $300-400 for 5,000 of these puppies. But you want to know, does it going to work for my business? So here's what I suggest you do: is grab you the template that I'm going to make available for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. It's very simple. You can do it with some free programs. I'll show you how you take like a program like Canva, and you can just do it like this. And I'll show you how to edit the templates. They are completely editable. You can put whatever message that you want on there, and make your own drop cards. Like I said, it's very simple, very inexpensive. Here is a picture of the template, or a portion of the template. There's 8 $100 bills per page. You have 8 front side and 8 back side. This right here is the back side, or the inside, whatever you want to call it. I'll show you how to take your idea, make a graphic, and then I'll show you how to upload your template to a free program online, and then you can upload your graphic to that same free program, and you can edit it, and then you can print it out on your black and white printer if you want to. They look real enough, but if you really want bang for your buck, you print it out on a color printer. They're fairly inexpensive. Like I said, you get 8 per page. So if you found you know, 20, 30, 40 cents for a color copy, I'm sure you can get them probably for way less than that, especially if you want some sales. And you can also get them online, like you know, like I guess maybe Vistaprint might can do it for you, or something like that. I just go to the local Home Depot. I'm not the Home Depot, the what do they call that place? But anyway, you know what I'm talking about, the Office Depot. That's the one. And just print whatever you want on there. And here's a sample of one I did one time, and here is another sample. Actually, this is the graphic. I haven't put this one on the, or I'm not showing it on the back side or the inside of the $100 bill template. But as you can see, here it is right here. That's the completed one. But anyway, this is, like I said, real simple, real cheap. Say you have 3 or 4 different businesses. You want to see, hey, does this drop card marketing thing actually work? What I would do is I'd go over to the Office Depot and bring your drop card template already done up on a disc, and have them print about 100 copies. And then you want to do is get you a paper cutter, or you can simply use a pair of scissors and cut you out cut it out, and just drop them everywhere. That's why they're called drop cards. Just drop them everywhere, and just give it a see. If you get some traction from it, I say print you 1,000 of them, print you 5,000 of them, and you just drop them everywhere. And if that doesn't work out, you can change a message up. It's real simple to do. You can use it for any of your business that you want to. But anyway, I hope this works out for you, and you find it useful. Thanks, and have a great day.